1 year ago, Busy Dog decided to partner with Groundworks to expand our opportunities. This is our story. We were fairly limited with Busy Dog in terms of our services, but now we have all these additional services that came along with the merge. You know, we are kind of a one-stop shop now, where before maybe they would have to find another contractor.
Before, we were just having problems with vehicles and tools, and now with Groundworks, we don't have to worry about that.
Groundworks invested a significant amount of money into new fleet, into tools. We have a great relationship with Hilti.
Just the quality of work changed, just having this type of equipment.
In this area in New England, there's a number of different foundation types. We have the ability to be able to accommodate all of them.
We wouldn't be able to do what we're doing without the extensive training that's offered to us.
We just walk into like a new way of life with what we're doing now.
It's not just the CFIs, or it's not just new individuals. There's recurring training on a regular basis. We always want to be better. There's always resources for it.
Groundworks comes with a structure that fits our needs much better.
With all the support, we can achieve anything.
With Busy Dog, we were projected to do anywhere from $9 to $10 million in revenue. Post-merge, our trailing 12 months is $16 million in revenue. That's an over 50% increase year to year.
At the end of the day, these results, they don't happen by accident.
By the end of 26, we'll have 16 crews, all doing at least $1 million in installs a year. We haven't had a month since merge where we did less than $900,000. The expansion actually turned the opportunity, into something real, into something actually feasible.
Over the last year, we've grown from 5 crews to 13 crews now.
We started out with 6 CFIs. We are at 24 right now in less than a year. That's pretty remarkable.
We do hiring events on a regular basis where we're trying to bring more people on. So it gives the employees the opportunity for growth. It gives them an opportunity to be an owner of a business.
Ownership gave people a reason to think long-term.
I'm an owner of Groundworks. Like, how many people could say that?
The ownership at Groundworks is absolutely fabulous.
Makes me feel like we're a part of something. People carry themselves differently now.
They now realize that, I really am an owner of the company. I'm not just an employee.
As a younger foreman, they gave me the opportunity to grow.
I started as an installer and worked my butt off and was offered the manager position. It makes me feel like my efforts don't go unnoticed.
I would have never thought I'd be doing this. It's definitely been life-changing for me and my family so far.
This is something you don't see every day.
We're definitely moving in the right direction.
This year, our team was able to bear down and reach new heights.